Hello, good morning, everybody. Today I would like to talk about the adaptations of arthropoda. Uh, as you know, that the phylum arthropod has got the largest number of species, and they have the largest number of animals present in this group. What I'm going to do is today is we are going to see the different types of adaptations this group of animals adapts to live and to exist. We are going to look through the PowerPoint, and we are also going to look at which are the different types of adaptations. Uh, this is uh, this is what probably you are not able to view it. So I would like to take you to a larger view where I can talk about the adaptation. Probably now you are able to see the whole the different types of adaptations carried out by these arthropods. The first adaptations, if you have seen here on the screen, the first one is respiratory organs. As you know, this group of animals has got a wide range of different types of respiratory organs. Firstly, it has got tracheal respiratory system, which I have already discussed to you earlier. The tracheal system is where their body has got a pores, and then which directly lead to tissues or the muscles. As a result, the oxygens and the carbon dioxide exchange take place at a tissue level. Next, this group of animals also has got a lungs, and some of the group has got gills as well. Many of this group of animals respire through cutaneous or the skins or the exoskeletons. Because of these wide range of respiratory systems supports these animals to have a better respiratory system, and that leads to more survival. Next one, exoskeleton. These all the groups of animals has got an exoskeletons, and this helps actually to protect from the desiccations, drying from the suns, and also prevent from the excessive loss of water from the body. These exoskeletons also protects from the injury, or even it can be protected from the predators. Third one, small size. Most of these arthropods are very small in size, and this allows them to escape from the predators, and also since they are in smaller size, and then little food is enough for their existence. Let's go to the another adaptations, flight. These group of animals, some of them have even the wings for flying. Therefore, these group of animals can fly, and they can escape from the predations. So having wing, this helps an animal to move from one place to another place in search of food, and also avoid the predations. Pip type, pip adaptations is reproduction. They reproduce large number of eggs, and that potential of producing large egg is called fecundity. They have high fertility rate, and since they produce large number of eggs, even some of the eggs gets damaged or is eaten up by some other animals. Still, then many of the eggs will survive, and this is why this group of animals has got a high fertility rate and a high fecundity. And their development is very indirect. Their larval forms and the parents are very different, and they feed on different types of food. These actually supports them to survive along, and there is no competition between the parents and the offspring. All right. Then coming to other side, the mouth. These animals also have got the different types of mouth, is being one of the adaptive, morphologically adapted to have a different types of mouth. So they have a sucking type of mouth, sponging type of mouth, piercing type of mouths, biting type of mouth. So having these different groups of animals have got different types of mouth. As a result, they feed on different types of food. There is no competition amongst this group. Therefore, there is more chance of survivability. Adaptability, it can adapt to very typical climatic conditions or the very extreme climatic condition, because their body is gets adjusted to that. So one of the such adaptations is animals has got defensive and offensive appendages. Has got defensive and offensive organs, and these animals are also socially adaptable. Many of the arthropods, like ants, like bees, and there are other some animals, they lead a social life where they communicate. So the survival rate is very high. The diversity of the food is one of the things. Adaptability is that they can adapt to different types of foods depending on the availability. Coming to the eighth adaptations is a jointed leg. Arthropods has got a jointed leg. So these jointed leg actually helps the animal to move much faster. One is to move faster, and another is it can easily creep through the small spaces. So these jointed legs helps in two ways. One is to pass through small creeps, holes, and another is it can easily move much faster than its predators. Therefore, it can survive. Last one is a metamorphosis. As you know, the metamorphosis is the changing of smaller the larval form to the adult. So process of change of a small larval form to adult form is called metamorphosis. There are two types: complete metamorphosis and incomplete metamorphosis. And because of such kind of differences, metamorphosis leads to differential growth, and this finally leads this animal to be able to adjust and adapt to the environment. Thus this animal has got quite a interesting features and abilities that makes this animal to adjust to the different types of environments. Therefore, we are going to see these arthropods are the most dominant creature, and also that they have a large number of species. So with this I am continuing, and then now I know I will not like to take taste in front of you.